There are around 429 precolonial Agikuyu items in the British Museum. The collection ranges from pottery, clothing, ornaments, drinking gourds, cowbells, and bags. This second video will only go through a collection of armlets in the museum. The collector acquired the item in the year 1910. The collector states that it is an ivory ornament called ngotho for the lower shoulder and upper arm. The leather thong shown in the opening can be adjusted to the exact size of the upper arm. The collector acquired the item in the year 1910. The collector states that it is somewhat similar article to armlet number 1 that was made of ivory. This armlet is made of wood. It is worn as high as possible on the upper arm. The ends are directed forwards and backwards. The collector states that this is simply a cheap imitation, carved from white wood, of its old and valuable ivory counterpart. The collector acquired the item in the year 1910. The collector states that it is an armlet carved in one piece out of buffalo horn, and having its anterior and posterior extremities ornamented with coarse copper wire. It is worn slipped up the arm as close to the shoulder as possible as shown. The collector acquired the item in the year 1910. The collector states it is formed of a single stout iron wire, whipped over with line brass and copper wire. In Kikuyu this armlet is called muringa. It has to be fitted to the limb by a professional expert found at markets around central Kenya at the time. The collector describes the process of fitment as follows.
He first straightens out the coil, and then, by means of an iron tube some 9 inches long, slipped over it, he closely and smoothly molds it to the arm or wrist.
These ornaments cannot be slipped on or off and is worn as shown. The collector acquired the item in the year 1910. The collector states it is formed of a leather strap whipped with copper wire. On the inner aspect, throughout its entire length, a cut has been made with a chisel through each turn of the wire. The terminal tongue passes through a terminal hole. That is it for this video. Join us for the next video where we will keep exploring more Kikuyu items at the British Museum. Thanks for watching.